Excuse me, but do you think Granny is going to be okay?
I don't think so. She is now gone in heaven because over witnessing the loss of her family. I wish I could, but sadly, she is gone all because of family problems.
No, it can't be.
It's okay, Franklin. We tried our best.
Please, get a hold of yourself. But guys, now what do I do?
I'm sorry, son, but we must face it that she's in heaven where she belongs.
Oh, my granny. I just can't believe they really had to let you die, because of her parents killed because of a forest fire destroying their house. It's alright, Franklin, we tried everything we could to save Granny from being ill, but she's gone in heaven from family problems.